Hello and welcome to one of the most transformative videos you will watch in your life. Get ready to embark on a profound journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Today, we will explore how to awaken the inner giant that resides within you and how to start your journey towards greatness. Buckle up, because this will be a truly inspiring experience. Let's start by talking about the incredible strength that exists within each of us. Often, we forget the power we carry, especially when faced with difficulties. But it is precisely in these moments that our inner strength shines brightest. Think of all the times you've overcome something that seemed impossible. This resilience is proof of the giant that lives within you. This inner strength is not just a myth or an abstract idea, it is real and tangible. It is fueled by our experiences, our victories, and even our defeats. Every challenge we face is an opportunity to strengthen this power and prepare us for the next chapter of our lives. Never underestimate what you are capable of achieving when you are determined. Obstacles are inevitable, but it is how we face them that defines our trajectory. Instead of seeing problems as barriers, we should see them as steps to reach our goals. Each fall, each failure, is a valuable lesson that teaches us something new and pushes us forward. Imagine yourself as a sculptor, shaping your life from the experiences you encountered. The key to transforming obstacles into opportunities lies in a positive mindset. By changing our perspective, we can see the potential for growth in every challenge. This mindset not only helps us overcome difficulties but also motivates us to move forward with greater determination and focus. Dreams are the fuel for our journey to greatness. They are the visions that drive us, that inspire us to achieve the impossible. Never underestimate the power of your dreams, for they define the path you will follow. Allow yourself to dream big and use these dreams as a compass to guide your steps. Great achievements start with a simple dream. Visionaries who changed the world began with an idea, a vision of what could be. That same potential is within you. Do not be afraid to pursue your dreams, for they will give you the courage and determination to overcome any obstacle. No journey to greatness is made alone. Around you are people who share your vision, who are willing to support and encourage you. Build a strong support network composed of friends, mentors, and allies who believe in your potential. Sharing your victories and challenges with those by your side can be incredibly empowering. Together, you can overcome any obstacle and turn dreams into reality. Remember, true strength comes from unity, and together, you can reach unimaginable heights. Now is the time to act. The world is waiting to see the greatness you have to offer. Believe in yourself and your ability to turn dreams into reality. Rise up, be inspired, and above all, never give up. The giant within you is ready to awaken. The journey to greatness begins now. Remember, each day is a new opportunity to be better, to do more, and to live fully. Go ahead and shine brightly, because the world needs your unique light. Believe, the best is yet to come. Join us on this journey and discover the giant you truly are.